Hello everyone, how are you? In this video, I will talk you how to you claim your knowledge panel. A very easy step. So here you see that this is my one of client. Recently I was complete to make him verified overall. So I'm going to claim knowledge panel. So here you see that three dot option, and here you see the direction claim this knowledge panel, and I click this option, and then you're going to main part of the verified option. I mean the verified form. So here you see enhance your presence on Google, and then a button get verified option. So click here, and then you're going to main part, that is you must be fill up. I mean if you want to claim or access your knowledge panel, then you must fill up this option, and this is mainly called Google knowledge panel claim. Okay, so Google says that are you a same person to enter this knowledge panel? So yeah, you must be saying yes, I'm this person. Okay, then select the relevant option. I'm the person. Okay, then here you said why you claim the knowledge panel. Okay, so I tell them, I mainly I want to maintain my panel, and some information some information and update. Okay, update is okay, perfect. Then this, yeah, update is okay. Then click the next button, and this is very important part. Here you must fill up the full name of your as per as government approved photo or identity, and fill this. I just make it temporary. Okay, your name. Okay, then select the country and also select the languages, which is mainly written your identity card. And this is very important part. You must be click a selfie with holding your identity or ID card. Okay, then make sure this like I just had a temporary picture, and then I'm going to next step. Okay, then this is also a very important part that mainly count. You must be like note if you enter does not have any official web profile, you may skip this step. Okay, not I didn't suggest that you skip this option. You must be fill up this option, and this option you must be put a screenshot to your admin panel, like the social media admin panel, like this. Here, this is mainly called admin panel. Okay, perfect. So then also put your link social media account, and I put just this link, and then you must be make a screenshot on your admin panel social account. Okay, so then when you fill up those options, then you will be able to make your knowledge panel claim. Then accept everything and understand. Just make sure this option, and then click the submit button. Okay, and if you ensuring your everything good then or correct, then you will be notified within 24 or 48 hours that you are verified on Google Knowledge Panel. So thanks for watching the video. Stay with me. Allah Hafiz.